pull. Now pull this down like that. That's it. There and there. I show you on the picture. I'll try to show you better I can. Screwdriver is there, so you have to pull that wire and lift slowly the headrest. Not much light, and do the same on the other side and pull slowly the headrest and it's coming out. Okay, that's the wire. I try to get any more than one hand actually to be able to show you. Okay, that and so as you see now, it's going up and down. I can take it out in a minute. So what I do, I put the screwdriver first on the right side, I push that wire and I pulling up the headrest. So I notice it's lifting a bit, not too much, maybe 3-4 mil. After that I put the screwdriver on the left side and I keep pushing up. So I realize this one is going up too. So I took off the screwdriver now and I'm going to move the seat a bit and I will take it out in a minute. I leave the seat backwards a bit to make more space, to pushing up, and that's it. It's out. Okay, so like this is looking. So what I do to be easy, is looking inside, to be easy to take it out, put the screwdriver here, slowly, gentle, to don't damage the leather, push it that way, this way, pushing complete that way, I'm pushing, I'm going to move this around like that, so it's making click once, moving around. It's easy if you can do it with two hands, to hold this in place and go with screwdriver around as I show you. So now it's making click twice, so I have to wait to make one more click and it's coming out. Okay, so now I'm going to put back these clips. Just pull down and push it in. That's it, simple, easy going in, a bit harder to take it off. Pull down and push it in. And the top one, the same, pull down and push it in. For this I need two hands actually, because with one hand I cannot manage with one hand. So yeah, I will stop recording here. Actually it's gone. With one hand, that's it. All are in place. So now, as you see, this is really nice. Everywhere. Look better. It's beautiful. I'm going to make the holes in here and put the caps back. For the holes I need a knife. Okay, so just going to see. So one hole is going to be there. Add this a bit. Add this one. That. Like that. Like that. Good. And to see where is going the other hole. The other hole is coming here. Okay. Right there. Right there. Right in here. That's it. The finger can go in. That's good. In here, finger can go in. So now I'm going to put the cap back. Now I have the caps in here. I'm going to put these caps in there and push it down until it's making click. This will make click, but have to be pushed hard. Find position and pushing down. I need my two hands, so I will show you when it's done. So one is done. I'm going to do it the next one. This one. I'm going to make sure it's on the center. The other one, what is underneath? This one. You see, it's making clicks. That's it. It's in place. Done. Good. Now I'm going to put the headrest back. I have the headrest in here. I'm just going to put it in there. And on the holes, just press it down. I will keep the original one on top of this one. I will show you how. Okay, so as you see, the headrest is in place. It's not moving up, it's moving down. If I press the button, I just have to use the both hands for this. Down, up, down, up. It's not coming up again. It stays in place as should be. So this is done. I'm going to put now the rear cover on top of this one, because I want to keep the rear one the same as on that one, to look as much possible as original, but beautiful, much better. Now this one, because it's too long for me, because I want to keep the original one at the back of the seat, the same as in there, I will bend this inside. Doing my case, I will come into touch to see where are the edge, the inside edge. So somewhere there are the inside edge. I don't going to draw anything, so I have a bit of idea where it is. I have the original back, so I'm going to put it a bit lower than that place, because I have to push up a bit, because actually the edge is in here. So this is about 2 centimeters lower. So I'm going to push this in, and in same time to pushing up to let the marks on. Okay, so now it's pushed up, and I'm going to push in the edge and the bottom, just to leave the marks on the side too. Once I have the marks, I'm going to make a small cut. I will show you in a minute. As you see, I have one mark in here, one mark in there, one mark in there, one in there, one in there. So what I do, I just cut that bit there. I have a bit in here. I'm going to cut that one too. Just to make space to put these ones in first, and put this in too on the bottom, and after that I push it in place and will stay there. And now another cut in here. There's enough. There's almost enough too. That's one enough. One in there, because in here I have 2 layers, because it's a pocket. I have to cut it on the both layers. So like that. And another one, I cannot see too much, I think it's in here, just in here. Yeah. So now I'm going to put this one in there, that one in there, the other one in there, so it's in, as you see. Now I'm just going to push it to try to adjust that one to go in too, and this side as well, and the bottom will go on the place anyway. So that's it. I put the original back. It looks beautiful. It takes me 3 minutes to put it on. Just don't rush to push it at the bottom, because you have to find the right holes, otherwise you will broken that pins. So when you take this off, when you take this cover off, you have to pull the bottoms. First from here, from the middle, and from this side. Just pull. And after that, push it down, because don't forget, in here have one click, another one is on the middle, another one is on the right. So you have to pull this down, push it down, or pull it down from here, instead to pulling to you straight away, because if you pull it to you, you are going to damage it. Okay, so after about 1 hour and a half, 1 hour 40 minutes, my seats are looking like that. On Jaguar XE 2017.